built on the part. Kaya, okay. So, this would be for the main. Wait. So, wait. Again, this is part of the rectum. So, we have put siya. But I have the anal canal and the anal circular. And this one will still be your urogenital diaphragm, where you have the muscle spondylar cut. Next, this one will be the penis. So, since this part is hanging and free to move, so that would now be the body of the penis. So, the body niya siya. And the root is fixed. Ang root siya move. Ano siya, move, so you have the body. Then, kanang mo expand yung portion sa penis, kanang mo expand, we call that part na as the glans penis. Glans penis. Okay, then, here, there is a certain pouch-like structure, pouch-like, also a structure, the structure, we call that pouch now as your scrotum. Okay? So some would say that would be itlog sa mga male, although it's not really itlog, wala may egg sa male, diba? Ang itlog na sa female. So the unit siya is itlog. It's probably the shape that looks like an egg, but the egg is not being called sa male. So wala yung egg yan. So, good. Okay. So, inside the scrotum, okay, you have here in the grounded portion of Kanishna, you now have your testis. So this will be your testis. Then above the testis, this one, you now have your epididymis. Epididymis.